Samsung launched a new tab, and this time it's the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Well, they already have Tab S6 with all the flagship specifications, so this time they launch a light version and it comes into a premium mid-range category. Well, the price of this Tab S6 Lite is 28,000 for the Wi-Fi version and 32,000 for the LTE version. And globally it launched 1 month ago, but in India it launched few days back. And now the pre-booking is started for the Tab S6 Lite. And if you pre-book this, then you can get Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus for just 3,000 rupees. Well, anyways, now let's unbox this and let's find out what feature it provides us and for whom this tab is. So guys, we get a SIM ejector tool and definitely user guide as you can see, and then we get a micro USB to type C cable, and we have a 15-watt fast charger, but I wonder that in how much time the Tab S6 Lite will charge from 0 to 100 because it has a huge 7040 mAh battery. And then we get a S Pen in the box as well, and that's a nice addition. I mean, we don't have to buy it separately, so well done Samsung to including the S Pen in the box. And the color of the S Pen looks dope. But now let's unwrap the Tab S6 Lite and let's see how it is. Okay guys, so this is the Tab S6 Lite in blue color, and now I have to power on and then I will set up the device and then we will talk about this. So guys, I finished the setup process. Now let's take a quick overview of the tab. So on the right hand side we will get a power lock button, volume rocker and secondary mic. On the top we will get headphone jack, primary mic and speakers, and then we get another speaker on the bottom, and then we get a USB type C cable, and on the left hand side you will get nothing. Well, on the back we will get Samsung and AKG branding with a single 8 megapixel lens. Well, this tab has dual speaker setup instead of quad speaker setup, and that's obvious because it's a light version. Well, I just noticed a very cool thing that you can attach your S Pen with your Tab S6 Lite, and the magnet seems quite strong, and the grip of the S Pen with the Tab S6 Lite is very good. And I feel it's a premium feature, so it's nice to have this feature here in Tab S6 Lite. Alright, so now we will test two things. First, the response of S Pen, and second, that how much area we will get while watching the YouTube contents, because I noticed in many tabs that we get a huge black bars. So let's see that what we get in this tab. Alright, so that's awesome guys. We will get almost whole area. However, we can't zoom in and out, and this is a 16:9 aspect ratio video. So this is what it is, and you get almost whole area, so that's pretty nice. And one more thing, don't make mistake by assuming this whole thing as a black bar, because the top part is the bezel and the bottom part is the display, and the black bar which we get while watching the videos is actually very less, if you can differentiate here in this video. So now let's talk about the biometrics. So let's test the Face ID, and it works absolutely fine. You have to swipe up and then it will unlock. Let me show you again. So it's working fine, there is no problem. I can show you once more. So here we go, it's no problem. But the main thing, the point to be noted is that you will get just Face ID. There is no under display either rear fingerprint scanner. You just have to depend on the Face ID, so keep that in mind. Well guys, talking about some basic specifications, it has a 10.4-inch TFT display with a 1200 into 2000 pixels, and it has 224 pixel per inches density, and it comes with Android 10 One UI 2 out of the box, and the processor is EXYNOS 9611, which is based on 10 nanometer, which many people don't like it. Well, you tell me which processor you want in Samsung phones, EXYNOS and MediaTek or the Snapdragon. And it has Mali G72 GPU, and talking about the internals, then it has 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, or 4GB RAM with 128GB storage. Well, Samsung could give a 6GB variant as well, but it has a dedicated micro SD card slot. Anyways guys, I don't know how it will perform in day-to-day life, but if you want anything related to this tab, then do let me know in the comment box, because I am thinking to skip this after this video, because I'm not looking forward to make a review video. But if you guys want anything like a PUBG test or a review or something, anything you want, then do let me know in the comment box, then I can think about making one. And yeah, performance is okay, but this is not a tab for gaming. So if you are someone who looking to buy a tab for a gaming purpose, then I will not suggest to buy this, because it has a Exynos 9611 processor, and I can see lags. Like you can see here, going to multitask, you can see some frame drops, but it's too early to judge the performance. Maybe Samsung will provide the updates and then it will fix. Anyways, if you like the content, then hit the subscribe button and also smash the like button. I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.